Hi, I'm Jan Johnson. What fascinates me most in this life is this: how do people change? Can we really routinely and easily walk in the goodness and power of Jesus, our Master? Is that really possible? Can I really become the kind of person my mother prayed that I would become? Can you become the kind of person your dog thinks you already are? So, how do we become like Jesus? How do we learn to have the character of Christ? That kind of person who loves even the most difficult people, who goes the generous extra mile, who experiences peace in life no matter what. Can I become that person? That's what Renovation of the Heart, Dallas Willard's book, is all about. It explains the change and then it challenges us to think differently and to act differently. So instead of the self-absorbed thinking that is so normal around us, we become good, wise thinkers, always coming back to the goodness of God. Instead of being blindsided by ever-changing feelings, we cultivate underlying conditions that create feelings of love and joy and peace and hope and faith. And instead of using our body to impress others with dress and gestures and all of that, our body becomes what Dallas calls a showplace of God's greatness. So I am really glad for this 20th anniversary of Renovation of the Heart. And I am eager for people to put into practice what they read there. That's in fact why I came out with the book Renovation of the Heart in Daily Practice. It's half Dallas and half me. And what I do is I try to explain some of those lofty ideas into bite-sized pieces, sort of street level, and then offering ideas of what they would look like in life and how to practice them. So please stay encouraged. God really can change us.